Hi, I'm Tom Rosenbauer, and I'm going to tell you how to get a rod unstuck. Modern ferrule fit is pretty good, and the problem in the old days used to be that the ferrules would loosen up and the tip would come off, but that doesn't happen very often anymore. If you've had your rod set up for a couple of days, or you maybe really seated it firmly, sometimes you're going to have trouble getting that rod apart. It's just not going to come apart no matter what you do. So there are a couple tricks that you can use to get a rod unstuck. So one way to do it is to use the strength of your thighs, and it also gives you a straight pull. So what you do is you find the ferrule, that's the part you want to take apart right there, and you put that right between your knees, and you use your outer thighs to push against your hands. Your leg muscles are much stronger than your arm muscles, and you just pull your knees apart and the rod will come unstuck. Another way to do it is to use one of these rubberized jar openers. Now you're not going to have one of these on the stream with you probably, so it's something you're gonna do at home. But you can use this to help grip the rod. You know, sometimes your hands have got fly floating on them, or they're wet or something, or cold, and you can't really grip the rod. What you're going to do is use one of these rubber jar openers, or even two of them, one on each side of the ferrule, and that'll help you get a better grip on the rod. You can also use a pair of latex gloves to do this, just to get a better grip, and then you can use that to pull the rod apart. If you have a rod that's really stuck, one of the best ways to get it apart is to use the two-person method. And I bring Phil Monahan along on all my fishing trips just to help get my rods unstuck, just in case. It's all he's good for. But Phil and I are going to show you how to use the two-person method to get a rod unstuck. So Phil is going to here's the ferrule right here. Phil is going to grab the rod, straddling the ferrule as if he's going to pull the rod apart by himself, and then I'm going to bring my hands in across the ferrule just as Phil is, and we're going to pull together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and you get a nice straight pull and the rod will come apart.